Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the question tag. In this session, we are going to learn some important rules which are related to the question tag. Question tag clues: no one, nobody, none of, neither, anyone. These are the clues. When the subject of the statement is no one, nobody, none of, neither, and anyone, we use the pronoun they as the subject of the tag. We use the pronoun they as the subject of the tag. When you find these clues in the given statements, we use the pronoun they in the question tag. We use the pronoun they in the question tag. For example, no one would speak. Would they? Here no one. This is the clue which gives negative sense. So we have taken the positive question tag. Moreover, we have changed the pronoun as they. They, they. Neither of them finished. Did they? Neither of them. Here neither. Neither is the word which gives negative sense. So when we find these following words in the given statements as the subjects, we should use the pronoun they as the positive tag. This is the point that we have to remember while adding the question tag for the statements which contain no one, nobody, none of, neither, and anyone as the subjects. Okay? I hope you have understood this session very carefully. If you can practice all these clues by taking different statements, definitely you will have the command over the question tag very shortly. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other topic such as question tag itself with some different clues. Till then, thank you very much.